Sites Tuesday. Here's News 12's Elizabeth Dahlem.
We do not, under any circumstances, reveal the immigration status to any agency, be it local, state, or federal.
Dr. Michelin says that's why Lincoln Hospital and the mayor's office kicked off the New York City Health Literacy Campaign right here in the Bronx.
So that should not prevent them from coming in to getting the care that they need.
Doctors hope this event will break down language barriers and encourage immigrants to use the hospital services. Patients had access to free or low-cost screenings regardless of their medical insurance status. Nurses and doctors tested for diabetes, pregnancy, and high blood pressure in hopes of early detection. This ESL teacher brought his class to the hospital. He says they were a little nervous at first, but eventually warmed up to the idea of being tested.
I explained to them that there's nothing to worry about because it's confidential, so all of them got the courage to come over here. And they are really so happy that they will be screened.
And in case you missed the event, it's not too late to get yourself to the hospital for a quick, possibly free checkup.
All New Yorkers can call 311 and ask for the location of the nearest free health screening during the month of October.
Since all patients were required to fill out paperwork to be put inside the Lincoln Hospital database, officials say they hope that'll bring patients back for regular checkups. Reporting from outside Lincoln Hospital, Elizabeth Dahlem, News 12, the Bronx.